Hi everyone, so today we'll be making this little Christmas in July wreath. You need like beads and stuff, and this little bow, which I have a video on if you don't know how to make a tape bow. I use painter's tape because it's blue. So yeah. So what you're going to need is pipe cleaners, beads. They're like optional, like colors and stuff, but I'm only going to be using the red ones. I'm not going to be using the other colors. Straws, which you have to cut into these little pieces like this. So I already have some cut because I just did them ahead of time. And you're going to need some like ribbon, which is mainly just like to hang it. And then you need like a little bow like this. I made it out of painter's tape because then it just kind of keeps their shape really well. And if you don't know how to do this, you can go watch my video on how I did it. I'll link it at the end of the video. And you're going to need scissors. First going to do, or how many pipe cleaners you want to do. I think I'm just going to do 2. I just have these extras because I wasn't sure how many I was going to do. Yeah. Then I'm going to take a bead. So I'm going to just be using the red one. Slide it over the end, but then slide it down so I have a little bit so I can have these ends twist together at the end to make the circle. And then what I'm going to do, since I'll probably have to cut these 2 straws too. I just didn't yet. For now, I'm just going to stick with these pieces I already have cut. I'm going to slide the straws down the pipe cleaners. A blue one, a red one on this side, and then a blue one on this side, so there's one of each together. And slide them all the way down to the end, but don't slide the bead off, because you want the bead to stay on. Like that. And I'm going to put the ends together, and slide another red bead down. See, I have like these blue, but they're not very dark, so I'm just using red. I probably could go find dark blue beads, but I just like the red, and then that's what that sort of looks like. And if you can keep the pipe cleaners in the same places, you could do red on this side and blue on this side, which is what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to do red on this pipe cleaner where I did the blue last time, and blue on this one where I did the red last time. And you just slide them all the way down. So like that. And if your straws aren't the same length, it doesn't really matter. They're a little off. It's got to be sort of pretty close to the same. Slide another bead on. Like that. This is what it starts to look like. Yeah. And then I'll put blue on this one where I put red last time. And red on this one where I put blue last time. Like that. And take a red bead. Slide it on both. Like that. And then blue on this one where I put red last time. And then red on this one where I put blue last time. And slide them down. And then by now you can kind of push a little harder and it's less likely you'll shove everything off by this point. So yeah. And then I want a red bead. Because the beads are mainly just to hold the pipe cleaners together, and this way you can do more straws and make it thicker like this. You could probably try and do like 3 or something, but then they'll probably turn into like a bundle more round and less flat, but this is just what I want to do. If you do try that, like send me a pic on Instagram or something, because I'd like to see. But I don't want to do it, so I'll see if you guys can make it work. Blue one where I put red one where I put blue, or you can do it whatever you want. And you could probably change out all the colors and make this red and green and make it actual Christmas, not Christmas in July, if you wanted. Like, change out the blue stuff for green, and then it would just be Christmas instead of Christmas in July. So you can do that if you're watching this like in a few months at Christmas time. Yeah, you can do that. But I'm just doing it Christmas in July because that's what I want, because it's still July. And then like that, and you can we gotta start like getting it so that it'll be like curled, because it's gotta be like this. And then I'm gonna put on more pipe cleaner stuff, or this straw. Blue where I put red where I put blue. Maybe I won't have to cut another straw or the straws off. I don't know. Maybe I won't. And then I'll put another bead. And just checking. And still not quite big enough, because I want it to not be like super curled up, because that's not what I want it to look like. And put red on this side and blue on this side. And you'll notice as it curls, this pipe cleaner sticks out farther because it's got a shorter distance to go than the other one, so that's just how it'll work. Oops, I dropped it. Red bead on both pipe cleaners. like that. I think I want to do at least one more set of straws. Red where I put blue, blue where I put red, and then bead. I'll check the size again. I think that looks pretty good to me. And so since these are going to line up right here together, I'm going to take one bead back off. I'm actually going to do it on this end because this way I have one pipe cleaner on this end. So yeah, because I don't need two beads right on top of each other. So what I'm actually going to do is shove these two pipe cleaners right through this bead. Make sure my straws stay where they're supposed to be. You can slide this bead down this pipe cleaner a little bit if it makes it a little easier. Try not to squish your straws or anything. Shove it right through, like that, all the way through it like that. And pull this one all the way like that, so it's like that. Then you have this. What you're going to do is pull these and stick them so they're going straight out the back. Because this is how we're going to attach the hanger and how we're going to attach the bow. So you're going to want to put one of these pipe cleaners, the longest one you have, which is going to be this one for me. You want to stick that one towards the front so you can use it to attach the bow. So this is what we're going to do it so that this covers part of that up. So yeah, what we're going to do is these parts, we're going to take this ribbon I have, which is this bit of blue curling ribbon. This is what I happen to have. I'm going to pull it out and figure out where the center is, what I want to do right now. All the way out, find each end, meet the ends up, slide it through like this, so find the center. Because I want to just use part of this as a loop and then have part of it just like all scrunched up there, because that's what I want it to look like. I think I'll make that much be loop. I'll put a knot right here, where I want the knot, where I want the loop to start and stuff, and then I'll have the rest of it just be curly. So I'll have that loop right there, and I'll have that, like that. So what we're going to do is we'll take these back ones right here, we're going to stick the loop through, we're going to stick one of these as a loop, and then we're going to take this, and we're going to stick this so it just hangs down in the back like that, and I can pull it forward to the front. And then I'm going to take these two pipe cleaners and I'm going to twist them, these pipe cleaner bits, together to hold the ribbon on. And I can kind of flatten them out and like curl the ends under so they don't stab anybody. Like that. You can cut them off if you have too much or whatever. And then you have your little thing attached and you have this little bit of ribbon. If they're a little too long, I might like cut them off a little bit. But I'm fine with the way it looks like this. And now what you need to do is take this bow, so I left a little gap right in there, slide this right through that little gap. It'll be a little snug. Might not fit very well, but squish it through there. Yep. It'll be snug, but it will fit, I hope. This is going to be a tricky part. Maybe sticking it through the other end. Oh, there it goes. So there, if you can't get it through one end, just stick it through the other one. And when you got it like that, you kind of don't want to stick it all the way through. You want to kind of bend this back over on itself, like that. You can see that. And you bend this back over on itself, right here. And then you kind of just smush it down, so that it just hangs, it goes just right there. I'd rather fold this under, actually, and on top. This is where I want it. And then, boom, you have a Christmas in July Christmas wreath. But like I said, you could totally switch out all the colors and make it real Christmas, not Christmas in July. It's just up to you to switch out the colors. So yeah, if you like weird crafts like this, where it's just weird holidays like this that aren't really like normal, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!